Before
Hello, ma'am.
before seguing into the session further, let's get to know a few things about each other. Shall I begin with me first?
Yes, ma'am, sure. Please give your intro.
My name is Pallavi Ojha. I hail from Rajasthan, the state of royalty. I am a full-time English educator. I have been a part of English teaching community for last 7 years. I worked upon helping students preparing for competitive exams, and I realized that even if the students clear the exam, get their desired job, still struggle to manage with spoken English. They aren't able to communicate themselves or express their thoughts well effectively with their colleagues or seniors in English language. Or if, for even that matter, they aren't able to understand, comprehend what's given in the circulars if that comes in English language.
Right, ma'am.
Thereafter, I realized that I need to help learners and people around me at their spoken language. That's how I began my journey of English Shari. I became a part of English Shari in January this year. Thank you so much. Coming on to you, yes, Mr. Vishal.
Nice to hear, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Vishal Duhane, and basically I am from Sonipat, Haryana. But because of my job, I live in Panchkula city. I work in railway sector, and if I talk my educational background, I have completed graduation. And last year I started my English speaking journey with Josh applications. They provide voice call facility. So from last year till now I do practice there. And recently I have joined English Sharing.
Okay. Could you tell me what are your expectations? What your expectations are from English Shari? What do you really want to focus upon?
Ma'am, here are professionals. They all have equivalent, like they are knowledgeable person and they have some 5 years experience, 7 years experience, and some have more than 7 years experience here. So they know that which is the good for student or which is the in which area. You are the pioneer in my case. Like you can tell me guide direction that in which area should I go.
Absolutely. In order to learn any language, we need to focus on multiple things. And I can put it into concisely six things. Okay, six things. First, grammar. You know the keywords, but you do not know how to club them together. Okay, there helps grammar. Okay, there grammar helps you. Second thing, words, of course, vocabulary. If you do not know the correct English word for what you are thinking, how will you put across your thoughts? Correct? So you need to have
Correct.
a decent command over words as well, vocabulary. You should have a good number of words in your repository, in your thesaurus treasure. I am an English teacher, so I need to have good a deep down knowledge of English language. But for a person like you who just wants to manage his day to day life, basic command over words is also fine. Hmm. Then comes these four skills. Although English Yari is a spoken English platform, yet I as a tutor emphasize all these four skills, which are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Actually, these four skills are interrelated. You cannot speak without the help of these three skills.
Right, ma'am.
Let's come on to reading first. Reading provides you the most convenient way to explore the world. You can visit Spain, America, Antarctica, British era, Indus Valley civilization through books. Hmm? Then, so what happens when you read? It improves your imaginary skills. You become a character of that story. You try to imagine all the characters in the story. You try to narrate the sentences in your own style. Now, coming on to listening. From reading, you can improve your vocabulary, words, you get to learn new words, you get to learn new grammar concepts. What happens, Vishal, when you read a book? You read a book for the story, not to learn your grammar or something, not to improve your grammar. Okay, there comes these classes. Okay, when you learn a certain grammar concept here and you read, you continue reading your book. You're like, "Arey, I learned this concept in the class today." Okay, this will happen when you come here regularly. However, only from reading, you will not be able to know the correct pronunciation of the word. Hmm? लॉन्जिविटी होता है, लॉन्गविटी होता है, लिएजन होता है, लाइजन होता है, लॉइन होता है, लाइन होता है, एजुकेशन होता है, एडुकेशन होता है, इमीडिएटली होता है, इमीडिएटली होता है। ये तभी पता लगेगा when you listen to some speaking these words. Also, when you listen, English is not our primary language. It's a second language for us, and most of us consider it as a vocational language. It provides us occupation. It helps us in our careers. Correct. When you listen to somebody speaking in this language, you get to know the way to speak this language, to use this language. Oh, मुझे इस तरीके से बोलना चाहिए. Look at the news reporters. They speak with a same flow. No ups and downs. But when we speak about debates, when we speak about informal conversation, we have those ups and downs, intonation. That brings engagement to our words, what we speak. If we speak with a monotonous speech only, no ups and downs, people will get bored of us very soon.
Right.
This is the speciality of good orators. They know the intonation thing really well. Hmm? Then, as I mentioned, pronunciation. Pronunciation helps us, and how we speak is as important as what you speak. Now, coming on to writing. Yes, we often listen and speak on day-to-day basis. But you know what? If you want to have better clarity of thoughts, कम शब्दों में कैसे मैं अपनी बात ज्यादा बोलूं, writing helps you there. Because in speaking, when you let's say you get to finish a sentence in 10 or 15 seconds, but in writing you take 40-45 seconds to finish that particular sentence. Hmm? Because when you, that is the thing, when you keep on speaking only, you have the advantage of rephrasing and paraphrasing your sentences just to convince the other person कि मैंने जो बात बोली है वो आपको समझ आई है नहीं आई है. बट इन केस ऑफ राइटिंग आपको पता है वो एक ही सेंटेंस में आपको अपनी बात कन्वे करनी है. Correct. So this is the beauty of, this is the advantage of writing. When you write, you get better clarity of thoughts. And above all, it's very important. Most learners come to me and say, "Ma'am, how to speak in English?" I say, "Think in English." Because most of us have this feeling, we think in Hindi language, in our mother language, okay, Haryanvi mein sochenge, Rajasthani mein sochenge, and then we try to process it into English language. And until we come up with our English translation, somebody has मारो द बाजी एंड वो ऑलरेडी बोल चुके होते हैं जो हम कहना चाह रहे हैं. Now, how can you speak? How can you think in English language? I honestly promote the idea of soliloquy. Soliloquy, speaking to oneself. ड्यूरिंग द डे ऑल्सो यू आर लाइक, अरे आज मैं बॉस से ये बात करूंगा, आज मैं अपने कलीग्स को ये चीज समझाऊंगा, आज मैं क्लाइंट के साथ ऐसे कुछ होती है, कुछ चीजें होती है ना दिमाग में while you go to office. Think all these things in English language. That helps a lot. Okay, do you have any question?
No, ma'am, you can ask me. It's clear that you were saying that all four things are interrelated: listening, reading, writing, and speaking,
Yes, just
and
give
all
me,
are equally important.
yes, just give me a moment, kindly give me one moment. Yes, that's all from my side, Vishal. If you work upon these things, and one more important thing, speaking, the problem that we face while speaking in English language is not because this is not our primary language. There are other factors involved as well. Sometimes we face anxiety. Sometimes we face anxiety while speaking in general in any language. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हरियाणवी में भी किसी से बात कर रहे होंगे तब भी हमें वो प्रॉब्लम होता है कि अपनी बात ढंग से कन्वे नहीं कर पाते हैं. नाउ इसके भी बहुत सारे रीजंस हो सकते हैं. द अपब्रिंगिंग दैट वी हैड, द एनवायरनमेंट दैट वी आर इनटू. Let's say we have that nature, introvert nature, we do not speak to many people, सोशलाइज नहीं होते हैं, तो बहुत सारे रीजन हो सकते हैं. दिस इज वाई इफ यू फोकस ऑन लिसनिंग एंड रीडिंग दैट हेल्प्स यू अलॉट. एंड देन ब्रेकिंग दैट बैरियर, दैट कंफर्ट कि मुझे लोगों से बात करनी है. Okay, for that, try to meet more and more people. And one, coming on to the feedback, Vishal, I have realized that you speak too fast. That also shows anxiety. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अपनी ब्रीथ को कंट्रोल करना, ब्रेथ को कंट्रोल करना, बेग पार्टन. ठीक है. इन व्हेन यू कंट्रोल योर ब्रेथ, ओके, नेवर टू गेट इंटिमिडेटेड बाय अदर पर्सन. वी ऑल आर लर्नर्स. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि अच्छा सामने बैठी मैम मुझसे ज्यादा नॉलेजेबल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में, ओ आई एम गेटिंग एंशियस, दैट्स ओके, बिकॉज मैम ने भी जीरो से स्टार्ट किया है, कहीं ना कहीं से स्टार्ट ही किया है ना. सो
Right,
रिमेंबर,
ma'am.
all of us are here to learn. Even if you do not know anything, that's okay. फर्क होता है ह्यूमिलिटी के अंदर, ठीक है, क्यूरियोसिटी टू लर्न समथिंग, एंड उसको ईगो या फिर व्हाट डू आई से, अनअबैशड क्रिएट, अनअबैशडली कुछ चीजें करना है ना. दैट कम्स इन योर एटीट्यूड. ऑलराइट, स्पीक स्लोली in order to look, in order to sound clearer. Do you have any question?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
No question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. How do you like to spend your free time?
Okay. I don't have free time. Every time I am busy in many things. In free time, I do practice here. I practice for English speaking, and
Good.
I take care of my mental health. So I do chanting free time. I
Om
do
Chant.
chanting. So,
You-
and for my physical health, I spend time in gym.
Very nice, in the gym. Okay. You mentioned that you take sessions here. That's very good. I would highly recommend reading books. There's a book called How to Win Friends and Influence People. Have you read this book? Have you heard of this book?
No, ma'am, I never have
Okay.
heard about this book.
Yes, you may write it down, the name of this book, or otherwise you can remember it simply. How to How to Win Friends and Influence People.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Definitely, I will
by
see this
by
book.
Dale Carnegie. Now, Vishal, in the beginning, like in some 10, 20, or probably 30 pages, you may not be able to connect with the book. But after those 30 pages, okay, you will feel that it would be a very good decision to read this book. It's a superb, in order to become more social, come out of your anxiety. It's a fabulous book.
Definitely, ma'am. I will check.
Do you have any question?
No, ma'am. I agree with your all points. You mentioned that everyone starts from zero. It's
And
true.
one more
And
thing, when we speak about communication, communication includes not just verbal communication, जो हम शब्दों से बोलते हैं, but also non-verbal communication. Okay? While you were listening to me, since you are listening, have been listening to me for a long time, आप बहुत attentively मुझे सुन रहे हैं, सब ठीक है, ठीक है. But when you were
okay.
speaking, yeah, when I asked you a few questions, no, This one not correct. Looking here and there, not correct. Okay, these are all
Okay.
part of non-verbal communication. You should look attentive, you should look confident when you sit. And yes, hand movement is fine. Because these movements connect the audience with the speaker. Okay, but very frivolous, very quick movements will show your anxiety, lack of confidence. Make sure next time when you come here, just look at the screen or the tutor.
Okay, ma'am. Definitely, I will.
All the very best for all your endeavors, Vishal. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a
Bye.
nice
Take care. Bye bye.